What's up friends? It's Mr. L here on Monkey Doodle. Today we're going to do a delicious, juicy watermelon since it's summertime. So let's go. All right, we're going to start our friend with a large U-shaped curve that goes all across your paper, and you can start out there in the center. You want to try to keep it. We're going to connect across over here, almost with a straight line. So it's really like a semicircle shape, right? Half circle, very cool. That's our friend, that shape. And on the edge here, we're going to do another inner line. And this could be a little bit more bumpy, kinda. And remember, this one is a watermelon slice. All right. Now, we're going to make the face of our friend curve and another curve. This is a wacky set of eyes that I like to do. And we'll put a circle here and a circle there. So our friend is looking this way. All right. Now, we're going to give our friend some sort of a smile. Let's see. And we'll go like this. Curve. Another curve here. And let's see, we'll probably put some silly buck teeth, I'm feeling. There we go. Silly buck teeth for a watermelon friend. All right, we're going to do the seeds later, okay? And we're going to make our friend have 2 legs. We're going to make them come down like this and a line in between. And we'll just do a curve there. And we're going to do a loop around the bottom there, and a loop that goes down around the bottom there. All right, pretty simple, right? Semicircle, rectangles, ovals, and we can do a lot just with that. Awesome, our friend is taking shape. Let's give our friend some arms. Maybe we'll just put a dark arm that comes out from here, goes down, and we're going to make it look like it's on its hips. All right, like that. So we have a curve that kind of connects to it and swings around, and we'll bump right in there. All right, maybe the same thing on this side. Or maybe we'll change it. Maybe our friend is waving at something. I don't know. We'll do a curve line up. Slight curve, but thick line for the arm. All right. I bet Babi would love to eat this watermelon. He's always eating everything. Thumb, and then loop, and open it up, loop, and shorter one, loop and back. You do a little curve here for the palm. If you want more detail, you can do that, but no big deal. So our friend is waving at something. We don't know what, but waving at something. All right, we'll make a couple of action lines here. And maybe there are some flying seeds, I don't know. Flying watermelon seeds everywhere. Imagine if it was raining watermelon seeds and they're just a bunch of teardrop shapes. That would be pretty crazy. I don't know if I would like that. Raining watermelon seeds. All right, guys, get ready to hyperspace color. Hey, Babi, can you get me a good slice of watermelon, please? Babi, are you getting my watermelon? Where's the melon, Babi? Babi! Banana melon! This melon doesn't look right, Babi.